Hey guys, so today I'm back with another eyeshadow palette review, and this time it's the Norvina, the new one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. At first I wasn't sure I was gonna get it because I mean there's so many palettes coming out right now, and I'm just like I don't need to buy everything because I hardly use them anyways. But I saw a couple reviews and I really liked it, so I wanted to give it a try. So if you want to see how it comes out and if it's good, just keep on watching. So this is how the palette looks. It looks like most of the other palettes, like the Modern Renaissance palette and the soft glam, I think, and the Prismatic. I don't remember the other two, but I only own the Renaissance, and this one is the second one I own by her, and it's that velvet, same packaging and everything. And see how it looks on the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It has all the eyeshadows there, the brush neck in there, and then of course the mirror. So it comes with this. I'm not sure if it's the same eyeshadow brush that comes in every palette, but this is what it go in with rose gold right there on the packing brush. I'm gonna try and do a halo eye, so we'll see how it comes out. As you can see, there was a lot of fallout right there, but that was mainly my fault because I didn't tap off the excess. And these palettes are known to have quite a lot of fallout, but I mean they're really pigmented, so that's mainly why. And I'm gonna go in and put some Fix Plus on the brush because I mean it's real pigmented, but I want it more popping. In the center, I'm gonna go in with Wild Child right there, and I'm gonna just use my finger for that one. There. It's not gonna be as vibrant as it looks on the palette because I kinda didn't leave enough space, and I went kinda too much with rose gold. Forget the halo eye. I'm just gonna go on top of all of it with rose gold again. Yeah, because Wild Child was it's too light and rose gold overpowers it, so I'm gonna just do a little different. I'm gonna go in with another shimmer color. I'm gonna go in with Drama, and I'll put that on the outer part of the eye. Go back in with Love and just go back on top of the all the colors to kind of blend it out a little. For the bottom, I'm gonna go in again with Love and just drag it all underneath. I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold and put it closer to my waterline. And then go back in with Drama, pretty much repeating the same steps I did on top on the bottom. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and blend it all out without adding anything. Now for the top, I'm gonna go in with Dreamer, just that one right there at the very corner, and I'm gonna use that to go underneath my brow bone. So I have one eye completed. I'm gonna go finish the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's my final look. I honestly really like this. Like, I haven't bought a palette that I loved this much in a long time. Besides, I know I really do, my second favorite is the Manny MUA, but this one is like the top right now. I really love it, and I thought it was just gonna be like the other ones, but no, this one's above, and definitely recommend it. And yeah, if you can get your hands on it, go for it, because it's awesome. And it's, I don't remember how much it is. I mean, of course, it's a little more on the pricier side, not as bad as like Huda, but it's a little up there. But it's totally worth it. I really love the colors, and I like how this look turned out, and I'm so excited to try out other colors, other shimmer shades, because there was so many pretty shades that I like, so I can't wait to try all of them. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.